How to delete Temu account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Temu account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Temu app, and after that just simply click on the use section from the bottom menu screen. And over here you will be able to see the setting option at the top right corner of the mobile screen. And from there just simply go to the account security section, which is the green tab, the first one. And over here at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the option called delete your Temu account. You just simply have to tap on it, and now it says that how you will be able to delete the Temu account. So it says that, dear Temu customer, they will no longer be usable after you delete your account. So please be aware that you will no longer be able to access or make any purchases on the account on the Temu app or the Temu website while using this particular account anymore. So if you are okay with the terms and condition while deleting the account permanently, you just simply have to check this particular box and tap on the continue section, and as soon as you click on the continue, your Temu account will be deleted permanently. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your Temu account permanently. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.